In this video, I'll show you how you can get rid of your border in League of Legends. Now, actually, if you go to the border, there will be nowhere that you can just remove it, but there is one solution that might work for you. So there's no border right here, and the way that you can do it is if you head over right here and you go to Riot Games, you scroll all the way down, submit a ticket, and choose League of Legends. Now from in here, what you want to do is select for the in-game question, and you want to tell them that you want to remove your border. Provide them with your username, also log into your account, and let them know that you want to get rid of your League of Legends border, and they will remove it for you. Now keep in mind, it can take a long time for them to respond, so just be patient and wait. But that's basically the only way that I currently know of that you can get rid of a border. Now, I really hope this worked for you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.